So let's open a new window and let's get started. So the first terminal is going to be for our CloudXR. So we're going to go into Isaac Lab-Arena. We're going to go into our Docker run. And you can see it's already attached, but I'm just going to show that we're going to this Docker folder. And then we're actually also going to go, and you'll see it's going to go and run that run docker.sh. Okay. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be launching the XR session. And for this, we're going to do python-m Isaac teleop.cloudxr cloud xr install dir /cloud xr. There's actually an error right here. It's install with an S, so we're going to go back and edit that. So it's actually we're missing a S, so it's going to be install with an S. Now you run that, you'll see that it is up and running right there. So now let's go to our second terminal. In our second terminal, we are going to start and launch the Isaac Sim session. And this will be the simulation. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go into our Isaac Lab-Arena folder. We're going to launch the same Docker thing that we did in the last terminal, the Docker container. You'll see it's already running. And you can see we're in Isaac Lab-Arena, the Docker container. So now we're going to run this very long command. Okay, so what I forgot was to export it to the dataset folder. So we're going to do that. And then I'm just going to paste in the command. Now you'll see it launch and run. Basically what it's doing is it is setting up the environments for Isaac Lab-Arena, and this has the Apple, the number of demos, which you'll see. It also has like importing the plates, importing the Apple, importing the grippers, etc. I'm going to show you again. These are my specs that I'm using to run Isaac Sim. So it is 64 gigabytes, AMD Ryzen, etc. And now it is launched. So now when you get in there, you want to go to the XR tab, you want to click Start XR, and you'll see that the XR is running. And then now we're going to hop to our XR headsets to get this going. So now in our XR headsets, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go to the link, which I'll paste in the description below. But you can see we have the XR session running. We have Isaac Lab running. We started it. We start XR. And then we are going to go and we're going to put our server IP there, accept the certificate. So my IP when I did hostname -I was 192.168.86.41. Now we're going to start the session, click play, and then you'll get in this immersive environment. Now from here, you're going to do your iterations of pick and play. So you use a trigger on your quest. So click play. Oh, let me just grab my other controller. Yeah, now I got both controllers. Now you click play, and then you use the triggers on your controller to grip and close. Then you have the joysticks to be able to move. One thing to keep: as your hands move, the robot's hands will move. You'll see you close that, you lift up, you place it in the plate. Now, once it's in the plate, you're going to release, you're going to bring out, and then the session will reset, and that's one increment in it. And then it automatically starts the next session. So I'd recommend starting with your hands further apart, and then it automatically starts. If you ever need to, you can always reset using the reset button, but you just got to do this 20 times, and you'll see that you can also see the iterations of how many you've done so far. You can pause, you can reset if needed as well. And you'll see that all through this time lapse. So I'm just going to speed it up a little bit, and I'll slow down at parts where I reset. And you'll see at the left over there the amount of demonstrations. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Where the neon glows, every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Beat kicks pound like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.
Now you've done collecting all your data, and that's it for this part of the video.